Unveiling the K9A3 Howitzer, game changer for high-altitude warfare? Welcome back. We are diving into one of the most exciting developments in modern artillery, the newly unveiled K9A3 Howitzer by South Korea's Hamha Aerospace. Could this advanced, unmanned system be the next big thing for India's high-altitude military operations? Let's find out. Unveiled at the CADEX 2024 exhibition, the K9A3 is an unmanned variant of the K9 Thunder, designed for precision strikes. This upgraded version features a 155mm 58 caliber barrel capable of reaching targets over 80 kilometers away, an impressive leap from previous models. Firing range is critical in high-altitude environments like the Himalayas. The K9A3's extended range makes it ideal for India's border regions, where long-range precision is a must to neutralize threats across rugged landscapes. One standout feature of the K9A3 is its man-to-man teaming capability. This allows a single control vehicle to remotely operate up to 3 howitzers simultaneously, reducing battlefield risks for soldiers. India already operates the K9 Vajra, a localized variant of the K9 built by Larsen & Toubro in partnership with Hamha. The K9A3 could be the next step for India's artillery forces, especially given the need for high-altitude, long-range precision in border defense. The K9A3 isn't just important for India, it's a major player on the global stage. Hamha is positioning this artillery system as a leader in the market, combining automation, range, and unmanned technology. Hamha is reportedly looking to expand its collaboration with India, possibly supplying an additional 100 K9 units. With its extended range and autonomous capabilities, the K9A3 could transform India's artillery strategies in challenging terrains. The K9A3 is more than just an upgrade, it's a game changer for artillery warfare. As India looks to modernize its forces for high-altitude operations, this unmanned, long-range system may be exactly what they need. What do you think? Could the K9A3 be India's next big defense acquisition? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's breakdown of the K9A3 Howitzer, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest defense technologies.